G'day guys, welcome back. How are we? Lion Frenzy Scarlet Wishes. Haven't played this for a long time. So, let's give it a crack. Oh, the mini's only $5. $10 miner. $18, that's a nice start. Three of those gets us the free spins. Let me just check something. We'll go there. That's a $10 mini now. Probably won't get another one, but $10.80. From memory, the free spins are pretty good. Welcome to the Hotel California. The Eagles, what a great band. Come on. Big numbers. $3. Oh, maybe I should go to 5 cents being on. Try 5 cents. Oh, $2.50. $25 mini. $1.25. Free games. Halfway there. Every 4 coins collected awards the next multiplier and 2 free games. Alright. Come on, coins. We need the lion. No coins. This is going to be a struggle. Oh, bugger. Bugger. After I said the free spins were pretty good. I was going to give it 50 more, but we'll see how this goes. Come on, 2 coins. One more. Thank you. Alright, we're at 4 times multiplier. One coin, thank you. Oh, you beauty. $80 for that miner. Oh, let's go. Big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. Hey. Alright, we're maxed out at 10 times multiplier. Ah, magnificent. Ah, come on. Thank you. Yeah, that's beautiful. Back to 7 games. Oh, come on, one more line. Last chance. 1 coin for 2 more games. $320. Massive win. That might be your thumbnail. Maybe. We'll see. Wow, look at that, eh? Look at that. Glad I went back to 2-cent denom. I knew the free games were good. Not a bad start to the day. I'm going to take my 300 and run. Let's go one at $1. Take win, 83 cents. Collect. Alright, I'll be back with another machine in a minute. Alright guys, I left Lion Frenzy. Scarlet Wish, I think it was called. I'm not 100% sure. Now I know I played Bengal Treasures the other day, but I saw that $1,200 and I went, that's mine. So, let's go 2 cents. On a bit of a purple streak at the moment. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Thank you. All right. At least we've got a chance of getting that 1,200. Let's go. Didn't eventuate this time. $60? It's a far cry from 1,216, but we've got plenty of bullets left to fire to try and hit it. I've got a feeling that mine is going to drop. That's 3 times now. I don't know whether to stay here on 2 cents or not. No, let's go straight to 10 cents, eh? It's not doing anything there. Let's try 5 cents. Alright, back. Maybe I should never have left 2 cent Dean on. I want that. Oh, they're nice big numbers. That's $100. Oh, beautiful. That's $100. Is it? It is. Yeah. Woo! Orange, blue, or green? Not, oh, red. I'll take it red, but I need all of them to be red. Another 20. Look at that. Fantastic. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, $2. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, back to back. Could this be the green one? Or the blue? Or nothing else. Hey, last spot. Oh, could this be the red? Another 68. Oh, we're over 400 now. That might be where I call it quits at 400, I think. Oh, there it is. Just needed 4 of his mates. Oh, here we go again. Don't you go anywhere. Sit down. Tiger? No. Rubies. Oh, peacock. Just missed a peacock here. Oh, come on. Only got 2 spins left. Oh no. Last one. Oh, that was very ordinary. We're not complaining, but we're still 300 in front. Oh, there we go. Did you take any drinks that we bought the other day? Coffee. No, downstairs. Oh, they're probably online now. 45. We're nearly at 500. Peacocks. Crack the 500. Is it going to go again, or are we done? Oh, no. I'm not sure. Look, I haven't tried 1 cent, so let's go here. 250. Look, actually, part of me, all of me, wants to go back to $2 on 2 cents. over. It's over. Which is fine. We'll take our 400 and run. Is that enough? No. One at $1. One at $2. $3.99.99 collect. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Lion Frenzy, I think Scarlet Wish, Bengal Treasures, Lightning Link. The purple patch continues. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, and I shall see you tomorrow with another one. Alright, I had a little brainwave. I'm going back here to 10 cents. 250. Brainwave or a brain fart, one of the two. We shall find out in a minute, won't we? Brainwave. Be nice. Oh no! Oh, back over the 100. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. That's another 100. Drop the miner now. Wowza. Beautiful. Oh, we're going again. We're going again. Oh, thank goodness. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let's keep it going, eh? Be an extra long video, this one. Alright, let's go to 5 cents. 2.50. There's a distinct lack of everything showing up. No. Alright, now let's try 1 cent, eh? Oh no, it's over. It is over. One more at $1.50. Hey, no trickery. That's an extra 100 profit. Alright, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow with another one. We'll be right back.